Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you can.
Hey loves, welcome to or back to my channel, and thank you also very much for joining me for another real life motivational cleaning video. So in today's video, you guys can see that I am in our bedroom and it is a hot mess. But anyways, if this is your first time joining me, I would love for you guys to hit that subscribe button, become part of my YouTube family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so very much for joining me today. I'm not going to talk throughout this video. I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys listen to some music and enjoy me cleaning up. Just see what I'm doing. Let me know in the comments down below if you prefer if I talk over my videos or if you just like the music to play. But that is enough chit chat. Do y'all? Oh wait, no, it isn't. Y'all see this hot mess? This room is a hot mess. But let's go ahead and jump right on into it.
So I took another shot, let my brain do the walking. I don't wanna be a friend, I want something real. Maybe if I stay the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right, we can rearrange. But I'm not even gonna try if you don't wanna stay. So how's it gonna be? You got me on my knees. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I just need some closure. Slowly, maybe I'm just wasting time. Tell me how you feel. I don't wanna be a friend, I want something real. Maybe if I stay the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right, we can rearrange. But I'm not even gonna try if you don't want closure. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I just need some closure. I'll pull you close, like you to me, babe. I just need some closure. I need some closure. Like you to me, babe. I just need some closure. I'll pull you close, like you to me, babe. I just need some closure. I need some closure. Like you to me, babe. I just need some closure. On my bed, if I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure from you.
So here are the end results, and if you guys made it this far into the video, go ahead and leave me a blue heart down in the comments below. But I want to thank you also very much for watching today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, but I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye.